Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASRock latest addition to its DeskMini PC series. So friend, ASRock is proudly introduced the latest addition to our mini PC lineup, DeskMini B860 and DeskMini X600 USB4, designed to balance power, efficiency and flexibility in ultra-compact form factor. And the new DeskMini series offer ideal solution for business, education, digital signage and home entertainment. So friend, the Intel next generation platform DeskMini B860 features Thunderbolt 4 quad-core display output and support for dual DDR5 SODIMM memory, and with Energy Star 9.0 compliance and deliver energy-saving performance that meet the need for modern work environment. So friend, optimized for AMD and AM5 processor, the DeskMini X600 USB4 upgrade to its legacy D-Sub interface to USB4 and offering faster data transfer and greater expansion capabilities, supporting the triple independent display and powered by AMD robust APU, and it's ideal for AI-powered video application, multitasking, business workflow, and digital classroom and home multimedia environment. And both models support dual DDR5 memory, multiple USB connectivity, and flexible storage expansion, and making the Dex Mini series the go-to choice for compact and powerful computing. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.